The overall goal of this procedure is to measure drug-induced changes in bilayer properties as sensed by bilayer spanning proteins. This is accomplished by first making fluorophore-loaded large unilamellar vesicles. The second step of the procedure is to dope the vesicles with gramicidin. The third step of the procedure is to add an external quencher and measure the rate of quenching of the internal fluorophore. The final step of the procedure is to quantify the change in fluorophore quenching per gramicidin activity by fitting a stretched exponential function to the fluorescence time course. Ultimately, results can be obtained to evaluate whether amphiphiles can alter lipid bilayer properties.
Hello, I'm Olaf Andersen.
Hello, I'm Helgi Ingólfsson.
Hi, I'm Ruchi Kapoor.
And I'm Leah Sanford from the laboratory of Dr. Olaf Andersen in the Department of Physiology and Biophysics at Weill Cornell Medical College.
Today we'll show you a procedure for measuring changes in lipid bilayer properties.
We use this procedure in our laboratory to study the effects of drugs and small molecules on lipid bilayer properties. So let's get started.
On day 1 of this procedure, remove the lipid from the freezer and let it equilibrate to room temperature. Once equilibrated, add 0.6 ml of 25 mg per milliliter lipid in chloroform solution to a 25 ml round bottom flask. Then, dry the solution under nitrogen gas while continuously rotating the flask until all of the chloroform has evaporated and a thin white film of lipid coats the entire lower half of the flask. Dry the